Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can debug the release APK. So first I will show you in the debug. So I already have installed the APK and I will run the APK. So you can see on the screen like APK is launching, and here I will load the data. This is the debug APK. So this data is visible, and same if you will go to app inspector and if you will go here select that, so you can see that data is visible here also. This is in debug APK. Same I will show you in release APK also, and in network inspector you can see the logs also if you have that. Okay, so now I will go in release APK. I will uninstall and install the release APK. Hello friends, now you can see on the screen I have installed the release APK. So I will click load data. So no user found. I will enter few details. So I have saved a user and I will click load data here. So you can see here one data is there, and if this is the release APK, and if I will go to app inspector and I will select this again. I think actually this is the previous data only, so no new data is getting selected here because this is not the release APK, so that package name it is not showing. This is the previous data only. So I will show you how you can see this in the release APK also. For that you will have to add one line in the Android manifest. In the Android manifest you open and you enter in the application tag, you have to enter this Android debuggable true. So what this will do is, in this will allow you to debug in the release APK also. So I'll just create one APK for the release in this. So I'll build. So I have already created this APK. I will install that APK. So I'll uninstall this previous one. Now you can see on the screen I have installed the I have generated one release APK with debuggable true, and I have installed it. You can see here if I will select this, it is showing like you can select the package name. It is not debug APK, it is release APK. So if I will enter any name here, it will reflect in debuggable mode. Save user and I will do load. So you can see here one name has come, so it will be displayed here also. You can see here the database details has come and this is displaying, and in the log that also you can see the whole log whatever your app has. So it will come here in the app inspector. In network inspector you can see the API logs, whatever the log is coming in the release APK, so everything will come here. So I want to show you, in there is a case when in release APK if someone is already using and there is large number of local data is already stored in that, so how you will do that, so how you can recover the data. Hello friends, now you can see here this is the release APK and this does not have the debuggable as true. So I am saving few data and I will click load data. So I have entered one record, I will enter one more record. So I have saved two record, and here you cannot do the debugging. You can see here in the app I can see the phone, but I cannot select the package name to check the user base data. So if you want to recover data, do any debugging in the release APK with the data already present in it, how you can do that. So for that you just have to do in Android manifest debuggable as true. You generate an APK. So I have already generated it. So I will just update the app which is already installed in the phone and I can debug that. So I will just update that. I have already installed. I'm updating it. You can see on the phone the app is getting updated. So you can see your app got installed and the release 2 has the debuggable true, so I can debug it. So I will open the app. So now you can see here I will do load user. So to record is there. So now if I will select this here, package name will appear and that two data will come here. So you can see here now that two data what is visible here is visible here also, because before it was release APK and I did update with the debuggable true without losing the data already present in the release APK. And you can store any, this is how you can recover the data which is present in the any release APK by updating it. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.